What is up, Las Vegas fans? I'm Jamie.
I'm Ashley.
And on this week's edition of Vegas Valuations, we're going back to a Gordon Ramsay restaurant. If you've been watching or following along when it comes to our episodes of Vegas Valuations, you'll know that Gordon Ramsay's Pub and Grill, I think it was called, in Caesar's Palace, left us wanting. We weren't overly impressed. But we're trying it again. Why? Because, well, Gordon Ramsay owns about 85% of the restaurants in Vegas, so you're running out of options.
Not quite.
Not quite, but a lot. One just opened in Flamingo. Seems like every time I turn around, there's a new Gordon Ramsay place. But we're going to be talking today about Gordon Ramsay Burger, located in Planet Hollywood. We are talking about Gordon Ramsay's Burger in Planet Hollywood. And here's how it works if you're new to the show. We give you our out of 10 evaluations on the food, the service, the vibes, and then we give you today's price, or in this case, we'll tell you what we paid to eat at Gordon Ramsay's Burger. And then we give it an out of 10 Vegas valuation. We factor all of that in, including the price. It's important that you keep in mind that what we're talking about in terms of our valuations, in the back of my mind, in the back of her mind, we're talking, yeah, okay, the food was good, but we paid this. You know, same with all of our reviews in casinos, or I guess in this case, resorts. We're always thinking about how much we actually paid and was the juice worth the proverbial squeeze. All right, let's get into it. Gordon Ramsay's Burger, Planet Hollywood. You got a burger. I got a burger. What you think?
I thought it was really good. Very flavorful. Definitely, if I had to pick over Gordon Ramsay Burger and Gordon Ramsay Pub and Grill, it would be the burger.
I would definitely second that emotion. It was okay. Yeah, it was fine. It was a burger. You know, I mean, yeah, was it tasty? You bet. It didn't rock my socks by any stretch of the imagination. I think we got truffle fries too.
Yeah.
We shared those.
Yeah. They were okay.
It was fine. Out of 10, what would you give the food at Gordon Ramsay's Burger?
Like a 7.5.
Yeah, okay. I mean, yeah, for what it was, a burger, 7.5. I mean,
I think my burger did come undercooked.
It did, yeah. Okay.
I remember that, so I was reluctant to eat some of it.
Yeah. Full disclosure, we're Canadian. So
we like our burgers well done.
Up here, it's there.
No option.
There's nobody asks. How would you like your burger cooked? All the way, bro.
Yeah.
I want it cooked all the way. Not like steak. We like our burgers cooked all the way done. So that's still something that I think takes a little bit of getting used to for us. And we want them all the way done. Which, I mean, whatever. It wasn't like really bad. You ate most of it, but
yeah,
it was slightly undercooked.
Yes, to my liking.
To her liking. So 7.5 seems fair. Seems totally fair. It was a fine burger. Mm-hmm. All right, the service. What did you think of the service at Gordon Ramsay's Burger?
It didn't blow me away.
Yeah,
If I remember correctly, like our drinks were late.
They took a while. Yeah. It was busy.
Yeah, it was.
In terms of the service, the drinks I thought took a little bit. They did undercook the burger, even though we specifically said, yeah, fully done, please. Yeah, what would you give the service?
7.5.
7.5? Yeah, I'm not going to disagree with 7.5 either. Again,
it wasn't terrible, but
for a burger joint,
out to me that it was like awful, but it wasn't like over and above.
Well, and that's, you know, it's funny that's I think a great way to sum it up. Nothing stands out.
Yeah.
Nothing stands out except for one key component of this valuation, and you can probably guess what stood out to us. The vibes in the restaurant.
Meh. It was noisy.
I thought the vibes were okay.
Yeah, it wasn't fine. Terrible.
No.
But, yeah, so maybe like an 8.5 for vibes? 8?
8, yeah. I mean, it was fine. It's a burger joint at the end of the day. Like I've said, like you've said several times throughout today's show,
nothing stands out.
Nothing stands out, except for the price.
Yeah.
And I have the receipt. I'll just chuck it up here. As you'll note, I got a beer, $13. It's a little steep, but that's about what you'd pay in a restaurant for a beer. Like, I mean, it's Vegas price for a beer. I wasn't blown away by the price going, oh my God.
Yeah.
What got me was the price for the burgers.
And then it doesn't include the fries, so we had to pay for the fries on top of it.
Keep that in mind. It's not like going to McDonald's where you get the number 5 combo, comes with the fries, the drink, and the burger. This is a la carte, as they say. You got the backyard burger for $26.99. I got the Hell's Kitchen burger for $26.99. And we each got sides. I got truffle fries. Or sorry, you got truffle fries. I got onion rings for a grand total of $76.95, but then after tax, $83.39. We're pretty generous tippers in Vegas. I think we gave them probably a 20% tip, which would equate to about $15.
So about $100.
$100 for burgers and fries, and that's where you lose me. Was it good? Yeah, it was fine. Will I pay $100 for burgers and fries and a beer? No, probably not anymore. There's just so many great places to eat in Vegas
that don't cost an arm and a leg.
Yeah. And now typically, we've talked a lot about it, Johnny Rockets, some of the other burger places and food courts, you're going to pay a lot more than you're used to at some of these fast food places. But compared to this, that's nothing. I'll throw the receipt for Posh Burger up. I don't have it off the top of my head, but we thought Posh Burger was expensive. Essentially, we got the same thing minus the drink. Yeah. Posh Burger was like
half
$20, $20 cheaper. Actually, probably more than that. Mm-hmm. And that's, again, where you get me. I think in this case, unfortunately, just like what happened to us last time, you're paying for the Gordon Ramsay name.
Yeah.
It's like you buy the Nike sweater. Is it really all that different than the other sweater? No, but you're paying for the right to eat at a restaurant with Gordon Ramsay's name on it, just like you're paying for the right to wear the Nike swoosh on the sweater. And I think I'm done. We've never done Hell's Kitchen. I don't know if I will.
No, I could care less.
Yeah, there's just so many other great places to eat that don't have his name attached to it, so you're not paying that automatic charge. And that's what it boils down to. Mm-hmm. If it happens to be your favorite place in the world to get a burger, cool, good. I'm happy, you're happy. For us, it seems a little extravagant for essentially burger and fries.
Yep.
All right, that's it. Another one in the books.
No.
Oh, right.
Our overall valuation.
Duh. So there it is. What's your overall Vegas valuation, given the price, out of 10?
6.5.
Yep. Yeah, it's not worth as we said up the top, the juice is not worth the squeeze in this case. So 6.5 seems totally fine. And again, we might get some heat for this one because
it's our opinion.
But it's our opinion. It's based on what we're paying. And $100
bucks, then go for it.
Exactly.
But for us, that just not our thing.
In terms of meals that I've had in Vegas for $100, you can get a lot better meals. Absolutely. Mm-hmm. And I would highly recommend you, if you like our vibe, you
like and subscribe.
For more on great restaurants in Vegas, we've got a lot more Vegas valuations coming at you over the next few weeks.
What is up, Las Vegas fans? Hey, if you enjoyed watching that video, it would mean the world to Ashley and I. If you hit subscribe, if you hit like, if you shared some of the content, we would really appreciate it.